Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in beauty and wellness tips. Today's topic is all about hair growth remedies. Everyone wants long, luscious locks, but sometimes our hair just doesn't want to cooperate. So here are top 5 remedies for hair growth. Let's get started. Scalp massage. Our first remedy is one that you might not have considered before. A scalp massage can actually promote hair growth. When you massage your scalp, it increases blood flow to your hair follicles, which in turn promotes hair growth. So, take a few minutes each day to give yourself a scalp massage, and you might be surprised at how quickly your hair starts to grow. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is not only great for soothing sunburns, but it can also help promote hair growth. Aloe vera contains enzymes that promote healthy hair growth, as well as vitamins and minerals that nourish your hair. Apply fresh aloe vera gel directly to your scalp and leave it on for about an hour before washing it out. Do this a few times a week, and you should start to see results. Coconut oil. Coconut oil has been used for centuries as a natural hair growth remedy. It's packed with essential fatty acids that nourish your hair and scalp. Apply coconut oil to your hair and scalp and leave it on for at least an hour before washing it out. Do this once or twice a week, and your hair should start to grow faster and stronger. Onion juice. This might sound strange, but onion juice can actually help promote hair growth. Onions are rich in sulfur, which helps increase collagen production and promote hair growth. Blend an onion in a blender or food processor and strain the juice. Apply the juice directly to your scalp and leave it on for 15 to 30 minutes before washing it out. Do this once or twice a week, and your hair should start to grow faster. Biotin supplements. Our final remedy is a supplement that you can take orally. Biotin is a B vitamin that helps promote hair growth. You can take biotin supplements or eat foods that are high in biotin, such as eggs, almonds, and sweet potatoes. Make sure to follow the recommended dosage on the supplement bottle. And there you have it, our top 5 remedies for hair growth. Remember, it's important to be patient and consistent when trying these remedies. It can take a few weeks or even months to see results, but don't give up. With a little time and effort, you can have the long, luscious locks you have always wanted. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty and wellness tips. We hope you found the information helpful and that you learned something new. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to turn on notifications so you're always up to date.